Hello again, guys. Welcome back. Now I reached the lake I've been hiking for. I've been walking for about 2 hours, and it's really windy here today. So the first thing I will do is to put up a windshield. My plan is to sleep in a hammock. Now, even though it's little, it helps a lot. And it is spring and it's plus degrees, but it gets cold in the wind. Here I have my hammock. Not much weight. Take a look at this. My oldest dog is putting on her summer coat, taking off the winter coat. Woo. I'll try to do something. I'll try. I will use some worms. If that's the best, it's so early spring. I got some cool worms in here. Vad måste jag säga? Nej. Smell something? Is it a moose? Maybe it's a moose? Huh? You certainly can smell it. Huh? I'm thinking about moving my camp. Because it's very windy. But on the other side, I want to try out how I can make it in the wind, if I can manage it. I have to think about it a little longer. As you can see, the wind is pretty strong. Now this part here is about to break. I might have to move my camp. The view from my hammock. Cold wind blows. My two nice dogs. They are enjoying being outdoors. In the sun and wind, I have decided to stay here. So, here is where I'm gonna spend my night. And the sun has said goodbye. You can barely see it over there. Now Kiro is digging for something. He's doing a great job there. He has no time to rest. Dirt all over his blanket. Hello there. It's morning. Actually, it's 9:30 morning. I slept good. And I woke up almost on the ground. Oh. I better get up. Oh. Now everything's packed. We're ready to leave. Leave this place. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming with me on my first hike this year. There will be more. On our way home, Teddy is carrying her own backpack. Soon Kiro will get one too. He's too young yet.